Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to use HP Officejet 4500 printer. Follow the ongoing instruction and don't skip the video. Using an HP Officejet 4500 printer typically involves the following steps. Setup. 1. Unbox the printer and remove all packaging materials. 2. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a power outlet. 3. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. 4. Install the ink cartridges by opening the ink cartridge access door, removing the protective tape, and inserting the cartridges into their respective slots. 5. Load paper into the input tray. Installation. Install the printer drivers and software on your computer. You can do this by using the installation CD that came with the printer or by downloading the drivers and software from the HP website. Connecting to a computer. Connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable or set it up on your wireless network, if it's a wireless model. Follow the on-screen prompts during the driver installation process to complete the setup. 4. Printing. Open the document or image you want to print on your computer. Select a file or print from the Applications menu. Choose your HP Officejet 4500 printer from the list of available printers. Adjust any print settings as needed, e.g., paper size, orientation, quality, and click Print to start printing. 5. Scanning. Lift the scanner lid and place the document or image you want to scan face down on the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. On your computer, open the HP scanning software or use the scanning feature from the printer's control panel, if available. Select the scan settings such as color mode, resolution, and file format. Start the scanning process, and once it's complete, the scanned document will be saved to your computer. 6. Copying. Place the document you want to copy face down on the scanner glass or face up in the document feeder, if your model has one. Use the printer's control panel to select the number of copies you want and adjust any copy settings, e.g., paper size, color, or black and white. Press the Copy button to start copying. 7. Maintenance. Regularly check the ink levels and replace cartridges when necessary. Clean the printer's exterior and interior, especially the scanner glass, periodically to ensure optimal performance. If you encounter any issues or error messages, refer to the printer's user manual or the HP support website for troubleshooting steps. Remember to consult the specific user manual for your HP Officejet 4500 model for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips. If you have any doubts, please call us now at 1-844-609-6674.